We're going to continue topic 5.4 in this video, and we're going to start working through explain 2. I did skip explain 1, didn't even put that in the notes. There are lots of different ways that we can solve a system of 3 variables. We can use a substitution method. We can use the elimination method. There is even a way to do this with Cramer's rule. What we are going to focus on is the elimination method. So what I am doing is I'm looking at my system of 3 equations. And I am going to try to find a variable to cancel, right? So I can choose either the x, the y, or the z. And just like my other elimination problems, I want to find a variable in all 3 of them that I can easily cancel, but I need the same coefficient and opposite signs. So in this case, I'm looking at the y because I notice that these two are already opposite signs. And in this third one on the top, I could very easily get that to be an opposite, or to be opposite the sign of this third one here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take these last two and I'm going to rewrite them exactly the way they are. So negative 3x plus 2y plus z equals 21, and 3x minus 2y plus 3z equals negative 9. I'm also going to take and rewrite this one. So I've got 3x minus 2y plus 3z equals negative 9. And I'm going to multiply this one by 2, so I make that y opposite. I'm going to distribute the 2 through everything, including across the equal sign. So that would give me negative 4x plus 2y plus 6z equals 40. All right, so I'm going to start adding them up just like we would with elimination with two variables. So 3x minus 4x is negative x. The y's cancel like we set them up. I'm not going to write it down. 3z plus 6z is 9z. A negative 9 and positive 40 would be 31. All right, let's add up these other pair of equations. Ooh, my x's cancel. I'm not going to write it down. My y's cancel. I'm not going to write it down. My z's are 3z. Z plus 3z is 4z equals 21 minus 9 would be 20. Is it 22? Is that right? Or am I doing it completely wrong? All right, I got out my handy calculator. 21 minus 9 equals 12, so z is going to be equal to 3 when I divide by 4. So the good news is I didn't even come up with a system of 2 like I sometimes do. Everything canceled. I can take this and I can just plug it into this other equation, and then I'll be able to solve for x. So I have negative x plus 9 times the 3 equals 31. So let's see, 9 times 3 would be 27 equals 31. I am going to subtract the 27 from the other side. So 31 minus 27 is 4. And divide by the negative, I would get negative 4. I have x, I've got z, I got to get y. I get to pick which one of these 3 equations that I'm going to substitute it into. I'm going to choose this one because my coefficient on the y is 1. So I've got negative 2 times the x plus y plus 3 times the z equals 20. So for the x, I am plugging in a negative 4. For the z, I am plugging in a 3. And then I'm going to go ahead and solve this. So negative 2 times negative 4 is 8 plus y. And then 3 times 3 is 9 equals 20. So let's see, we get y plus 17 equals 20. Subtract the 17, I get y equals 3. And then my final answer would be written as negative 4, 3, 3.